Still wrestling with those massive 2-bike racks just to transport one bike? They're heavy, awkward, and a total pain to install. Why bother with the extra weight?
And then there's the lifting. Deadlifting a 100-pound bike onto a rack is a recipe for a back injury. But those days are officially over.
Check out this lightweight aluminum single bike rack with an integrated ramp. It's a total game changer for solo riders and e-bike owners. It's so easy, even my elderly mother-in-law can load her own bike without any help. Let's get it assembled and show you how it works.
Warning: I'm just a dumbass that likes to tinker with things and share my results. I am in no way responsible for any damages if you try what I share on my videos and you have issues. Tinker at your own risk.
Hey guys, you need to flip the main bar around before bolting it on, and I accidentally bolted it on backwards on this recording.
As you can see, she's able to carry this lightweight rack with no problem. That aluminum frame really helps lighten that load. Now just thread in the 1-inch bolt and attach the cotter pin, and it's ready to go. It's that simple to attach to your vehicle. she can easily remove the attached ramp from the provided mount and clip it to the rack, making it cake to load up her bike. Now you see how easily she's able to push that 100-pound bike up the ramp and then strap it into position with just 3 straps. This is completely game-changing. We just put the ramp back in its provided mount with a single clip, and we're ready to hit the road to whatever trails lie ahead. Unloading the bike is just as simple as loading the bike. Step 1. Secure the ramp back on the bike rack behind your bike. Step 2. Unstrap the bike from the 3 mounting points on the rack. And Step 3. Roll the bike down the ramp. It's just that simple, from loading to unloading. When you hit the road with the all-new Outfitr Lightweight Single Bike Rack.
I really wanted to see if this rack could improve my mother-in-law's quality of life with her bike. I'm happy to report it passed with flying colors.
The biggest win here is the weight. At just 37 pounds, this aluminum frame is incredibly light and easy to handle.
It is just so convenient for solo riders. If you're only hauling one bike, there's no reason to struggle with the extra bulk and weight of a dual bike system.
The included ramp is the real MVP. It makes loading and unloading virtually effortless, which is a massive relief for anyone who shouldn't be heavy lifting.
Don't let the lightweight fool you though. The build quality is surprisingly solid. It feels stable on the hitch and holds the bike securely once everything is locked down.
This rack is a perfect fit for single riders or anyone who struggles to lift those heavy, fat tire electric bikes.
It really levels the playing field for getting out on the trails and going places.
This rack is designed for smaller bike frames. With a max 50-inch wheelbase, some of my full-framed bikes are too large to fit on it.
But for the right size bike, this is an absolute game changer for accessibility.
If you want to see more functional gear like this or have found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.